So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be making donuts. And as you can see, I have one of those Babycakes mini donut makers. I was given this for Christmas, so I'm excited to crack this thing open. I already opened it so I could take a look at the recipe booklet they have in here, so I would know if I had the ingredients to film. So let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm unwrapping this and I'm seeing how itty bitty this really is. It's so itty bitty and tiny. Look how itty bitty the donuts are going to be. They're going to be so itty bitty and cute. Alright, well let me finish unwrapping and washing everything down and I'll be right back again. Alright, so I've made my donut batter and now I'm mixing it. Of course, I mixed the dry ingredients first, and then my liquid was in the liquid measuring cup. And then once you do that, you add them all together to the same bowl, and you stir them together just until everything is combined, because you never want to over mix your donut batter or cake batter. There are very few batters where it's recommended that you over mix. Alright. Alright, so I got my setup here. Got my baby cakes warmed up. I got my batter here. Got a little bit of oil. And I have some skewers. I'm going to kind of use like chopsticks because they said to remove it with non-metal things, and I don't have anything non-metal other than that. So let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my paper towel in my oil here, and very carefully I'm going to wipe each thing with a little oil. I don't know what you call these, each well, without burning myself. Alright, so it looks like I got a little oil on everybody there. So now it said put 2 tablespoons, and this batter is really really spongy looking. So I'm going to guess. I know I shouldn't guess, but ooh, let me get another spoonful. This a little bit of flour left on that spoon from when I was mixing it. Okay, so let me go ahead and put 2 tablespoons each in here. I hope I'm not overloading it. And the last one. All right. Ooh, I think I have a little too much in there. What do you think? I want to take a little bit out. As it's cooking on the bottom. Okay, I think I should just go ahead and put the top on. It says it takes 3 minutes. Alright, so the 3 minutes is almost up. Okay, the light went off, so that indicates that it's done. Woo, be careful with steam. Steam got me a little bit. Uh-oh, yeah, I did overfill it a little bit. But that's alright. We live and learn, right? Alright, so I'm going to use these like chopsticks and remove it. Alright, so I'm not going to put so much in there this time. But the batter does expand, so let me go ahead and do my second one. Just going to put a little bit in each this time. I mean, really, who is really going to measure out the amount of batter they're going to put in here? I guess some people would. Alright, so let's see how that turns out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. So we still have a donut. Alright, because I wasn't careful of the hole. It was there. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the inside. It looks dry. So here's the taste test. Does it taste like a donut? Kind of, sort of. It tastes more of like a waffle to me. Yeah, it tastes more like a waffle. I wonder if I put this in cinnamon sugar. If it would taste better. So I do taste the baking powder a little bit. Oop, you see a little bit of my batters coming out. Be on the money when they're done. But be careful when you open this. Okay, dang, it's still spread. I don't think my eyeing it was that off. But that's okay, because it'll just come right, you know, it'll tear right off. And nobody needs to be the wiser. So I know most of you are probably like, what about the glaze? So I'm not making a glaze tonight, since it's just me right now. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Okay, I'm like so sloppy right at the moment. Woo woo. Come on, get in there. Even though it's going to spread on me. Alright. So, that is how my Babycakes donut maker works. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.